Hi viewers, I'm Rosabenya from Mempage Technologies. This is Annadatha drone powered by Mempage Technologies. Annadatha drone leverages AI and IoT technologies for enhanced functionality to make the lives super easy. It is a hexacopter design agriculture drone powered by 6 powerful X6 motors, available in 2 variants, 10 liters and 16 liters. This drone comes with set of 16,000 mAh battery or 22,000 mAh. The battery of 16,000 mAh gives flight time up to 15 minutes and the battery of 22,000 mAh gives a flight time of 22 minutes. Brain of this drone is K3 Apro controller, makes crop monitoring easier, connects smoothly with the drone, gives you a quick data for smarter decisions. Drone is operated by T2L controller, which is a remote controller, most advanced remote controller available at present. Our drone comes with PC1080 advanced battery charger, which you can charge the battery in 3 modes. One is fast mode, balance mode, storage mode. Fast mode, it will charge within 40 minutes in a lesser time. In balance mode, it is good for battery health life. It will charge battery from 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Storage mode is used to charge the battery if you're not using the drone for a longer period, and you can store the battery in the battery box. It has 4 high pressure nozzles for precision and efficient spraying on crops. Works in manual mode, semi-autonomous mode and autonomous mode. Manual mode, you can fly the drone yourself, fly the way you want, or you can do a practice. In autonomous mode, you can select the field, spray pattern, height of drone, speed of the drone, and much more. The drone will take off itself, spray, and come to its home position. You can just sit back and relax. All your spraying work will be done automatically by the drone. Semi-autonomous mode can take the control of the drone, which is flying in autonomous mode. This is used when a person or animal enters your field suddenly, or if you want to spray some part of the field that is difficult to mark and spray. It can easily spray 1 acre of field in 7 to 10 minutes. Annadatha drone provide precise and targeted applications of pesticides, minimizing exposure of harmful chemicals for the farmers. This reduces health risks associated with traditional spraying methods. Additionally, drones operate efficiently, covering large areas in short time, thereby saving farmers valuable time and resources in cultivation process. Thank you. Please share my video with friends and family. Please like and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.